To then take a look at the SK Tools USA combination slip joint pliers set. So interestingly, this actually comes with a pouch so that you can keep everything contained. It's got a little strap on there, so we could wrap that guy up if we need to just throw this in our pocket. But this is the star of the show. We have got a two-piece of combination slip joint pliers. They actually have a very nice feeling hinge mechanism on there. So if you look closely, it looks like we are hinging on a button head hex bolt, and then we got a rounded nut there on the other side. But yeah, that has got a super smooth joint on there. I don't think I've ever felt one that is quite that smooth on there. And so we got the branding on there. We got a 7208 and a 7206. So I believe this is going to be our 6-inch. This is going to be our 8-inch. Most pliers like this I'm going to be using are probably going to be around the 6-inch, just because I know that you can fit those in tighter areas. But in the event that you need to get a little bit more leverage, you can also see we got a slightly larger jaw there on the 8-inch. You need a little bit more force. This is going to be the guy that you want. It's also going to be nice in the event that you're going to put a lot of force on things throughout the day. You don't want to have to put as much effort into it on your hands. This can save you a lot of trauma. We can see that those are both dipped handles. We have nice well-grounded heads on there. And we can see we got a good fit up on that head. Some very sharp teeth on there, which is excellent. So you can actually dig into that metal in the event that you're trying to attack something, especially if it's rounded off. And I do appreciate seeing that double jaw pattern on there so that you can grab onto much larger nuts and bolts, or even teeny tiny little bolts on the end if you need to. So this is just an aluminum plate. Just checking grip. Does grip very well. So here we've got a motor, and we've got a flathead on here, but there isn't really room to get to it. So I'm going to try to grab that with these and spin that off. Yeah, that is working a treat. Okay, that's good. Excellent. So why they decided to put flatheads there, I'll never know, but at least we know that that is a solution. But yeah, overall, I just love the feel of these things. I love how well that joint actually works on these. Like, if you take a look at most of them, you have to kind of fight them. With this, I could do it just like one-handed if I wanted to. So very nice, very good feel on it. I like that we got two different sizes, so if you need to get into a tight area, we can use that. If we need more grip, we can use that. Overall, that is just an excellent set of pliers.